Struggling to create video content for every platform? It feels like an endless loop of edits, resizes, and frustration, like trying to solve a puzzle where the last piece is always missing. If you're tired of wasting hours repurposing your long-form videos into platform-specific clips, then listen up. Imagine turning just one video into 27 perfectly optimized pieces of content that you can post across all your socials with just one click. That's exactly what Taja does. Taja is an AI-powered tool that takes your long-form video and transforms it into multiple engaging clips, shorts, and text outputs tailored for platforms like YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, and more. With Taja, you simply upload your video and let the magic happen. The tool automatically cuts and trims key moments to create high-performing video shorts, reels, and even compelling text content for your social feeds. No more manual editing for every platform. Taja handles it all. It optimizes your video's SEO using trending keywords and audience insights, ensuring your content reaches the right people at the right time. But that's not all. Taja also features a smart content optimization engine that helps you discover fresh video ideas through AI-powered keyword research. It even includes an idea generator that gives you your next video idea in seconds, so you never run out of inspiration. And with a streamlined creation process, you can schedule posts effortlessly from Taja's dashboard, saving you both time and energy. One user shared their experience, saying, "I've tried many AI tools, but Taja truly impressed me. This platform turned my long videos into shorts and blog posts automatically, and the support was incredible. It solved my issue in minutes." This kind of feedback shows that Taja isn't just another tool. It's a game changer for anyone who wants to simplify their content creation process and boost their online presence. And here's the kicker. Taja is available as a lifetime deal for a one-time payment of just $59, down from $400, which means you get an 85% discount. No recurring fees, no subscriptions, just one payment for endless possibilities. Ready to revolutionize your video content creation and finally break free from endless edits? Check out the description below for the full product page and to grab your lifetime deal on Taja today. Let Taja help you be everywhere with one video, effortlessly turning your content into a social media powerhouse.